sure several projects have been lined up under Viva. So, what can you share about your first project for Viva?
Well, as early as now, syempre, I can't reveal too much like you said, pero talagang excited po ako sa mga adaptations po, yung mga young adult series and mga Wattpad adaptations that I'm really looking forward to further discussing more. And yun nga, parang I'm just over the moon po kasi I'm able to kind of make sort of a comeback into acting as well since I've been really focusing on my music.
Ang TV series yung parang acting yung first project?
Potentially, yes po.
Okay, second question. A few days from now, you're turning a year younger.
A year younger? Yes.
So,
5 days na po eh.
At that's ang birthday. So, what's your birthday wish mo?
Oh, my birthday wish? Siyempre, ano po talaga. I mean, I guess, growth po sa aming career po. Ang excited po dito talaga sa partnership na to, I guess, just to share din lang po, is this is the first time that UMG and Viva are partnering with me, which is so exciting. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, ang wish ko talaga is talagang mag-bear fruit ang partnership na ito, and success po, and of course, just many more experiences to learn from.
Congratulations, Kate.
Maraming salamat po.
We're excited to hear what you have to offer as an artist and your music. Pero in the past ba, you've been in such a position that you have to start from zero. And how did you take to that then?
Well, syempre po, yung sa pag-start ko from zero, ang conscious decision po talaga yun. Kasi, I mean, as you are all aware, syempre, with my parents or my family being in the business, of course, alam ko na it comes with a certain set of, I guess, perception and, di ba yung tinatawag na po baby. Pero importante po kasi talaga sa akin na makilala po ako ng mga tao based sa aking mga pinaghirapan. And gusto ko po talaga to work for my place in the industry just as my parents did. Kasi for me, I honor their legacy and the mark that they've left on this industry by creating a path of my own. So, yun po.
My second question, are you working with a vocal coach? Kasi when I was listening to your songs, napansin ko na iba-iba yung style mo, and there's always this effort to do something more than the previous. So I wonder if you are really just trying to stretch pa din your vocal abilities by working with a vocal coach?
Yes, well, thank you for noticing that po. Pero ano po talaga, yes, I've been formally trained, and sa totoo lang po, gusto ko din po balikan po ano yung pag-vocal coach ko din. I trained under Kichi Molina, who's a well-known vocal coach here in the Philippines and also in the US as well. And importante po talaga kasi sa akin na non-stop po yung growth ko as a singer. Parang isa po na tinuro sa akin po ng tatay ko is never stop having a teachable spirit. You always have something to learn. So, yun po, I guess tama po yung assessment niya na with every song, gusto ko po mag-offer ng something different po, syempre sa aking audience. And I just want to grow as an artist and as somebody dito po sa industry.
Thanks, Jada.
Thank you po.
Please go on, Aster Amoyo.
From with the business, I actually talked to your parents if I can co-manage you with Viva. Unfortunately, they had other plans, so they signed you up with Star Magic.
Yes, po.
Diba? Nag-cornerstone ka pa, nag-rise artist ka pa. And then my question is, why finally Viva?
Well, gaya po nga ng sinabi niyo po, di ba? I've been doing this for quite a while, and syempre po nakapag-explore din po ako sa industriyang ito. Pero sabi ko, why Viva? Kasi in-acknowledge ko po yung expertise nila. I think, yun nga, parang sobrang nag-swamp in terms of sa timeline na gusto kong tupagin po dito sa career ko at this point, na yung perfect balance ng acting and singing. And syempre po, I mean, lalayo po ba tayo? Sa track record ng Viva, they're very good with managing both singer, actresses, and multimedia personalities, and that's exactly where I want to be. So that's why Viva. Yun nga po, this has been a long time in the making po. it's so nice na finally nagbunga din lahat ng mga meetings namin with sila Boss Vic po.
Alam mo yourself, may nasa papagal ka na ng Viva?
Opo, yes, I'm definitely, I dabbled in acting before, pero ngayon, ang exciting po ng chapter ng buhay ko na to, kasi parang ito na yung point na mahahanap ko na yung perfect balance ng singing and acting, and I think Viva is the perfect management and team to help me do that.
Alam ko marami pa
sa mga kagulang mo. Kanino ka nagmana?
Kanino po ako nagmana? Yan naman yung question po.
Ano ba gusto mo?
Yes.
Gusto mo question?
Hindi, okay lang po. Well, I guess po, pareho po talaga. I mean, hindi po yung showbiz na answer po. I think, gaya nga po ng sinasabi ng magulang ko, blend po ako nilang dalawa. Parang, I get certain traits from them, obviously, to become my own person. Pero, I would say, pareho po talaga, as in, hati po talaga ako. Kahit pagdating po sa looks po, ang lagi po sinasabi ng magulang ko, depende po talaga sa tumitingin.
Sino mas mahigpit sa kanila?
Mahigpit po.
Sa career mo at sa personal life?
Oh, good question po. Pagdating po sa career ko po, alam niyo po, isa po sa mga bagay na thankful po talaga ako sa magulang ko is, hindi po sila sobrang higpit na sa career ko. Nandito lang po talaga sila para sa akin, para gabayan po ako pagdating sa mga choices ko po, para to make the best choices for my career. So, I wouldn't say na sobrang higpit, pero I would definitely say na ang mas critical po sa akin siguro yung tatay ko po.
Mahika ko ha.
Talaga po. Tapos, pagdating sa personal life po, ganun din po kasi sobrang thankful po ako na hinahayaan po nila ako to explore and enjoy my life and be in control sa mga decisions ko po, lalo na po na sa tamang edad na din po ako. So, I think at the end of the day, they both just want the best for me. So, hindi naman po sila necessarily mahigpit po pagdating sa personal life ko.
Wala ka ba iba faith like this?
Yes.
Sa movies ka sa akin, di ba?
Yes po.
Anong in-expect mo sa aspect na yun ng kalina?
Well, ako po talaga, hindi pa po ako tapos na ma-explore sana po yung rom-com na genre. Yan po talaga yung pangarap ko po. Mahilig po talaga ako manood ng mga rom-com and mag-leading ladies. So, hopefully, that will be in the stars. Or you never know what may be coming, I guess. So, yan. Yan po talaga yung gusto ko po, lalo na po at this, time and age in terms of nawala na din po ako sa parang awkward stage ng, I guess, pagdating sa mga roles. So, ayun, I'm very excited for that.
Thank you and good luck.
On Dolly Ann.
The hardest and the best part of being the daughter of Ding Dong and Jessa. The best and the hardest.
Sige po, I'll start with the best thing I think is, syempre po kasi ang dami na pong pinagdaanan nila dito sa industriyong to. And ang dami din nilang wisdom na napulot na parang nakukuha ko po parang first hand. And sobrang thankful po ako dun na yung mga experiences nila or moments in their career na they charge to experience, napapasa po nila yun sa akin. And it really is like speaking the same language kasi nga pare-pareho po yung ginagawa namin na nakakatuwa nga po, like kunwari po ngayon, yung mom ko po nasa Singaling, yung dad ko po nasa Tawag ng Tanghalan, and then ako po nandito po ako. So we both all share the same passion. And yun po talaga, I think that would be the best part as well. Siyempre, I have two people in my life, two very important people in my life that I'm able to share my experiences with. And alam ko po yun na naiintindihan po nila yun. In terms of the hardest part, I would definitely say na, I mean, it's kind of a double-edged sword in that sense na syempre pagpasok po sa industriya, ang perks po nun na being, I guess, like a nepo baby or the daughter of two very well-known and established artists is meron lang parang perception na din po ng mga tao sa iyo. Pero, honestly, I really take it in stride. Pero, syempre po, parang part of it is also kind of carving your own path and sort of breaking some certain levels of perception and hopefully, getting to that point na mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng mga tao na magpakilala ka as your own person. So,
step out of their shadow.
Yes, in a sense po, honestly, I didn't really feel that way na dahil po kasi, kunwari po sa music po, ibang-iba po yung music na ginagawa po from my parents. And honestly, I see a lot of beauty in that na iba-iba po yung mga styles namin, so we both are all able to learn from each other. So, ayun, it's really more of, yun nga, dahil nga may certain perception na, and sometimes yung perception na yun might not be necessarily in line with what's true. So, ayun, yun lang yung challenge ko na through the years, I've been learning to navigate through it. Pero hindi ko naman po siya tinitignan as a bad thing altogether because I'm very thankful po na sa pinagalingan ko po. So,
Okay,